it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and we have a fun video. It is Craftmas Season 3, Episode 44. Now, you may or may not remember, I ordered these wooden ornaments off of Amazon before Craftmas even started. So I was super excited to be able to decorate these. So the file is available on my Patreon page for my $10 or more month supporters, but they're just like little wooden discs and they're so cute. They're sanded really well. So we're gonna make some rustic ornaments. So we are going to be using HTV today. This is the Thermoflex Black, which right now on our website through Christmas, it is 15% off your entire purchase. So if you need to stock up, we still got you back. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we'll go over how to put these together. Dokey. So as you can see, I have 5 of my little ornaments laid out. We have 5 different designs that are included on the SVG. So we're going to take and just lay out our vinyl on them. And on something like this that is so small, I enjoy doing HTV because a lot of times it is the easiest way to work with vinyl. So there we go. And I have my Cricut mini easy press. So you can use that or a hand iron. I feel like for this type of project, that is what works the best. Look how cute. Okay, so now we're gonna take, and as you can see, it's warmed up to the second setting, and we're just going to cover and heat these on for about 5 or so seconds each one. You don't want to overheat it, but you do want to add some pressure behind it. And you can double check to make sure it's heated. You don't want to overheat these because you can melt it. But you see how easy that is? Just hold it in place. So simple. In such, I mean, you can sell these, you can give these away as a Christmas gift. This is, again, one of those things that works super well for Christmas parties, teacher gifts, that kind of thing. And look how cute and easy. I mean, once you cut them and weed them, they take no time at all. And you can use any colors that you want. I like the rustic look. And for my household, this is something that works great on the Christmas tree where my cats cannot break them, or my dogs, because we have 3 cats that like to try to climb the Christmas tree still. I don't know how it is in your house, but that is what it is like in our house. So we have to keep non-breakable ornaments on the tree. Like all of our good ornaments are hidden in storage because we cannot use them. Oop. And see, if you do not have it heated down all the way, you just kind of go back over it. See how cute they look? And they're all different shapes and sizes. And in the kit, it does come with the twine as well that you need. So we can go ahead and turn that off and remove that. But you can see it comes with the rope to make them. So we can just take and chop some of that off. Scissors. Run it through the hole. Just tie it together. And you're done, and it's ready to hang on your tree. So if you'll give me a minute to change the camera angle, we'll go over how we made these. Look how absolutely adorable these ornaments came out. Aren't they so cute? And this is something you could easily sell or give as a gift, and they're so inexpensive. You could add a little jingle bell, whatever you want. So
If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which for Craftmas is every single weekday through Christmas Eve will be the last video. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all later. Bye.